This anchor is very scary. It gives me a sinking feeling.
Sidney by the sea, a flat, derelict piece of urban wasteland where the average rent of a 2-bedroom suite is $1,200. Ooh, a seasonal tourist trap. Populated by the newlywed and the nearly dead.
I look extremely handsome in this reflection.
A quick stop at the scary Windspear Centre to practice driving because everyone here drives the speed limit.
Well,
My cunning plan to play games with the people of Sidney, tempting them to the dark side using trick-or-treat candy.
It's surprising what people will do for candy.
Then we'll see just how evil this quaint Vancouver Island suburb can become.
Are you able to howl like a wolf of the night?
well, is it a full moon?
Yes, let's pretend it is.
How's that?
That's pretty scary. You deserve a candy.
Thank you so much. Just what I need.
That's the spirit.
Oh, no. Are you having a howl of a time? Nice, you deserve a candy.
I certainly do.
I will shower you with candies. Hold out your hands. Nice.
Just when I thought I was scary,
I love you.
Shaw TV's Kim Rock begins to spin her web, entangling me into Miss Bliss, a ghastly women's boutique, where the devilish damsels of Shaw TV have gathered for a photo shoot, loathing in self-admiration.
It's going to be between the blondes and the brunettes. The object of the game is to wrap your partner in toilet paper like a mummy.
Yeah.
The fastest and the best wrapped will win lots and lots of candy.
I lived in Egypt in a past life, so I'm good at this.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, good.
And Karen is off to a good start. Oh, now Nikki has a technique.
Great head start. Yeah. Team Brunette.
Nikki is getting dizzy.
You can even just pass the toilet paper around and stay in one spot.
That looks very neat, Nikki.
I'm looking spooky.
Look over here. Look over this one. It's all falling apart.
Look at this. I'm so dizzy.
I think we have a winner.
Yeah.
Right here. What happened over here?
Honestly, so dizzy. I don't know. But I just really wanted to win.
This is what blondes do. They want to be attention seekers. They cry. They whine.
To Jen and Nikki, you get lots of candy.
Yeah.
To Karen and Kim, they get lots of toilet paper.
Yes,
There you go.
This is awesome. I'm so excited. Thank you.
They're gonna be fat.
In Sydney, my name is Mr. Skeleton.